everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Pam, it's Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you some bows I had made over the weekend to either put on Happy Mail, gift them, or just to have in my stash. I like how they turned out, except this one is a little off, so I need to move it over. There's that. There's that. And I love the way they turned out. So pretty. So the die I used was this here. It came in a big set, and I used these ones because to me they look prettier than the other ones I have. It was a big set. Anyways, so this is what it looks like, and the only thing is I don't have a roller to roll out my thing, so I have to take my tool and pop out the little papers to clean it. And then there's a small piece here, and then this piece here. So yeah, this is one of my favorite dies now. I absolutely love this die. This was gifted to me from Amazon. It was on my wish list, and someone sent it to me for like a Happy Mail gift. I absolutely love this. This was out of stock for a long time, but I love it. I usually have a magnet that holds all my dies in. I gotta get more cut up. And the paper I used was this here, Sweet Talks paper pad. And I got this from Michael's, and I showed an opening of it. And I love the paper. The only thing is it's not double-sided, which is okay because you know, the bows fold in on themselves. I wanted to put some glitter, and I was going to put a dangle. I was going to put a little hole here and just put a bead in there, and I may still do that. I don't know. But I'm trying to build up my stash so I can put these on things and whatnot. So yeah, tell me what you think. So I'm going to demonstrate real quick how I put these together. It's not a very long video today, I don't think, but I absolutely love this paper. It is so cute. Okay, oops, sorry about that. I'll get this out of the way. And I use these gems here. It's just these little flat back gems that I put on there. And then I used this glue, which is the bomb. I love this glue. So let me find the ones I cut out real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So these are what it looked like when they're cut out. And then here's that one. And then the smaller one here. Okay, I'm going to spread you out a little more here. Okay, so we're going to put these together. So what I like to do, this is going to be the bow part right here. Okay, and I'm going to take my bone folder and I'm going to just do this so we can get a curl like that. Get a good curl. I got a little excited one time and I ripped the tops of those and I was like, no. Then I'm going to take my pin out and I'm going to take some glue right here. I'm just going to glue some right here in the middle. And you want to take one part, lay it down, just hold it there, and take the other part and lay it down. Try to get even as possible. I usually have a clip to hold them together while it dries. Just kind of hold it down there so it looks something like that. Okay, let's sit there for a minute. And then this is the bottom piece here. You can see that. So let's pick out a gemmy for them. I'm gonna pick this, this pink one here. Ooh, that almost spilt everywhere. That would not have been good. I've been having things spill on me all day. Okay, so I'm going to take my glue here, put a little dab on there, like so. And we're just going to try and make it as even as possible. Just kind of hold it there. And this is your middle piece right here. So I'm going to take a little bit, I'm going to put a little dab right in the middle here. You guys can see that. I'm filming this on a new camera phone stand here. And I'm going to press it in the middle, like so. Just kind of hold it down. Like that. And then if you flip it over, add a little more glue. Put one down there and put the other tab down. Like so. Just kind of hold it there. Like that. And we're going to take this gemmy. We're going to put it in the middle. And I may put too much glue on that. And we're just going to set it on the top. And kind of even it out a little bit. And kind of and just kind of press down. Voila! Glue dries invisible. It's one reason I love this art glitter glue. It is great. I got it on Amazon with another refill bottle. And I stick the pin in it, and hopefully it will stay there. See? So yeah, that's the bow I made. What y'all think? I was gonna poke a hole and just add a dangle there, but I misplaced my hole thingy puncher. So I finally found it. And so yeah. There's that. And I got something else to open up here. Be 1 second. I put an order in. It's Miss Ively's Creations, and she is on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. She does sequin mixes, and she has a shop, and she's got some cute stuff in her shop. So I ordered something from her. I like how she says it's fragile. Let's see here. Let me find my scissors. All right, found my scissors. So yeah, she has a cute little shop with little things in it. I thought it was adorable. And something has a smell to it in here, like a sweet smell. Okay, so I ordered these blingy stuff, and I love, love, love. And she wrote me a little note, and it's wrapped in this cute paper. And then she gives me some extra goodies. Oh, that's right, because she asked me, what's your favorite animal? And the choices were, she didn't have sloths, but she had dolphins, and I can't remember what else. And so I like dolphins as well. And she tied it really good. Look at the packing on this, guys. And this is my slip, and just thank you so much for your order. I appreciate it. Ively. And this here, guys, she sells this. This is paper shred, and I swear it smells like cotton candy. It's scented, and it smells so, so good. And I'm going to leave that in here because I want to use it for a package. Look at all this. I believe she sells these too. Like I said, I'm going to link her YouTube channel down below, so she has her shop listed there and everything. So yeah, isn't that great? So I'm going to reuse that. I'm definitely going to reuse that. And let's take a look-see what I ordered. So I wanted some mixes, and this is what I wanted. And I swear it wasn't that expensive. It was like $8 for all this. What a steal, huh? Aren't those cute? I fell in love with the box. I saw her on our channel, and I just wanted it. Look at this. I got little things, little doodads, little hearts. Isn't that cute? So, so cute. Look at that one. Isn't that cute? And it came in this case. I love it. I don't think she watches my channel, or she might not know I have a channel, but that's her shout out. Go check her out. She makes and designs such pretty things. Oh, they're so pretty. A lot of paper crafters know who she is, but I'm not sure. So, like I said, I'll link it down below. And, oh, I'm excited to get this order. Yeah, guys. All right. There it all is. I hope you enjoyed my video on making the bows. And watch me open up my little thing I purchased. And these cute little stickers and goodies inside. And the bag ripped, so I gotta make sure it doesn't fall out. And the stickers, look at how cute those are. I like how she adds extras. That's such a sweet thing. Oh, so, so sweet. I'm definitely gonna keep that paper shred for a package. So yeah, If you haven't already, can you subscribe to my channel? Hit the thumbs up and hit the notification bell to see more of my videos, and leave me a comment because I absolutely love comments. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and God bless.